स्याद्विज्ञानमयो जीवः ब्रह्म वा जीव इष्यते आदिमध्यावसानेषु संसार प्रतिपादनात् विविच्य लोक संसिद्धम् जीवं प्राणाद्युपाधितः ब्रह्मत्वमन्यतो प्राप्तम् बोध्यते ब्रह्मणेतरत्
विज्ञानमयः जीवः स्यात् ब्रह्मवान् जीवः इष्यते. विज्ञानमय is the विषय subject. Is it जीवः स्यात्? Is it जीवा or ब्रह्मवा स्यात् or is it ब्रह्म? Now so this is a doubt. पूर्वपक्षः जीवः इष्यते. विज्ञानमय as जीवा is accepted. How? He says अन्यतः अप्राप्तं ब्रह्मत्वं बोध्यते. So Brahma cannot be unfolded by any other means than Vedanta. Is it not? So therefore it says अन्यतः means अन्यैहि प्रमाणैहि, by other pramana. अन्यैहि प्रमाणैहि. So अन्यैहि is अन्यतः अप्राप्तं ब्रह्मत्वं means Brahma, status of Brahma cannot be gained by any other means of knowledge than Upanishad, Vedanta. So therefore apraptam bodhyate is taught by that Vijnanamaya. There add there ataha, therefore. No. Anyataha apraptam. Not that. See. I was wondering how Siddhanta came. Suddenly how Siddhanta came. So there is a Adi Madhya Jivaha Ishyate. So that is, but what is told in Siddhanta, that is Siddhanta, that is correct. आदिमध्यावसानेषु संसार प्रतिपादना. Sir, in the Adi, in the beginning, as Vijnanamaya, etc., what is told is samsari. Madhya, in between, that waking state, dream state, these states are described that pertain to Jiva. At the end also, Jiva is described. Now see, something, Upakrama, Upasamvara and Madhya means it should be the topic, is it not? So therefore it says Adi Madhyavasaneshu. So that is that whatever that is unfolded in the beginning, in the middle and in the end. So therefore Samsara Pratipadana. So that is how, because of the Samsara Pratipadana, it is something unfolded by Samsara. So then Pratipadana, Samsara is told there, and Samsara belongs to whom? Jiva. So therefore he must be Jiva. Now Siddhanta. Local, yes, there is description of Jiva is there. But do you know why? Jiva is known or not? Yes. Brahma is known? No. Always you have to unfold unknown with the help of the known. From that standpoint he says, Loka samsiddham jivam pranadi upadhitaha vivichya. Vivichya means prithakritya. Having distinguished. Having separated means having distinguished. Loka, that is what, whom distinguish? Jivam. Which jiva? Loka samsiddham. Well known in the world, jiva. this having distinguished from whom? Pranadi upaditaha. By upadis of prana, mana, buddhi, distinguishing that upaditaha says anyataha apraptam brahmatvam bodhyate. The status of Brahma, whose status of Brahma? Of Jiva, and which cannot be known by any other means of knowledge, is what? Bodhyate. Therefore, ataha, so that Vijnanamaya is who? Brahma. Itaratna. What is itarat? Other one, Jiva. Other one, Jiva is not. This is the Adhikarana 40. Sushuptyutkrantiyoho vedena. Janaka is asking Yajnavalkya that there are many aham gamya. Many things are taken as I. The ahankara, body is taken as I. Buddhi is taken as I. Indriya, mind is taken as I. Indriyas are taken as I. Body is taken as I. Then Atma also is taken as I. Among these, which is the true I? So that is what the question by who? Janaka to Yajnavalkya. So this is what is called as Jyotir Brahmana. Very extensive Brahmana is that Jyotir Brahmana. Then Katamaha Atma. So which is that actual Atma? Because so many Atmas are available. Then the answer is given. Yaha ayam vijnanamayaha praneshu vijjantar jyotihi purushaha. So now this vijnanamaya is told. Now this vijnanamaya can be straight away taken as who? Jiva. Because one vijnana kosha upadhikaha vijnanamaya it can be taken. So therefore, is it that Jiva, Vijnanamaya is Jiva or Brahma? So that is the doubt. So Vishaya is what? Vijnanamaya. Doubt is whether that Vijnanamaya is Jiva or Brahma. Answer is Sushuptutkrantiyoho, can add there, Sharira Bhedena Vyapadesha from the earlier sutra. Sushuptutkrantiyoho, add Sharira, continue Bhedena, then make Adhyahara, borrow from the earlier sutra, Vyapadesha. That Vijnanamaya told as an answer to who is the Atma, is shown distinct from Jiva in the context of Sushupti and Utkranti means Marana. Sushupti Utkrantiyoho, vocative dual. In the context of Sushupti, the deep state, this Vijnanamaya was shown to be different from Jiva. And when he is shown to be different from Jiva, who has to be? Brahma. Again, in the context of the death, this Vijnanamaya, Utkranti, that means in Utkranti, this Vijnanamaya is shown separate from Jiva. So therefore, Sharira means Jiva, other than Jiva. It is Bhedena Vyapadesha. As a distinct one from the Jiva is shown, is pointed out, is mentioned, and therefore what happens now? This Vijnanamaya must necessarily go Brahma. Patyadi Shabdebhya. Pati there means Adhipati. That is, it is meaning is what? Adhipati, because there is no Pati word in the Upanishad. Adhipati is there. Adhipati Pati is one and the same. Overlord. The words like overlord are there. Pertaining to this Yoyam Vijnanamaya, etc., there are words like that Vijnanamaya is Sarvasya Vashi, means not under the control of anyone. Sarvasya Adhipati, the one who is overlord of everyone. Who can be? Can Jiva be so? No. Paramatma would be. Then Adi. Again, Adi Shabdebhya. Adi for Sarvasya Ishanaha. No. Pati for Adhipati. Adi for Vashi Ishanaha. Again, Na sadhuna karmena bhuyan, etc. He doesn't grow because of punya, doesn't get emaciated because of papa. All this point out that it is Paramatma only. So that means from this, two types of vakyas are there. Samsaritva pratipadana para, samsaritva nishedana para. Adhipati etc. means asamsaritva pratipadana para. Statements, the remaining statements are such that they prove that Vijnanamaya is asamsari Brahma. Again, there are statements which prove that samsaritva does not belong to Vijnanamaya. Therefore, what? Vijnanamaya is Brahman, Paramatma only.